Hiccups can be really embarrassing. They can be annoying and
Amanda, here, try this. Pinch your nose, drink this glass of water all down in one gulp, and stand on one leg and balance. It didn't work.
Amanda, just take this, give me that glass of water, just put and drink through it. That easy.
wow, my hiccups are gone.
Amazing.
Hiccups are a repeated cycle of spasms in the diaphragm, and drinking through the hiccoway generates enough pressure that can stop those spasms in the diaphragm.
It may sound complicated, but Hickaway does all the work.